Hello everyone, my name is Andre McClendon and today I bring you guys Cardano. If you guys are new to the channel guys, please subscribe, like this video, help out the YouTube algorithm so more people can see it, and let's begin. Now first off guys, Cardano is ranked number 7, currently trading about 42 cents, and this is a coin guys, not a token. When it comes to this cryptocurrency guys, it's highly traded. There's some good perks about it that people get into, which I'll talk to you in a second. But if you guys need some news or want to read more about this cryptocurrency, check out their website or their Twitter page. It'll be the fastest way to learn more about this crypto. But if you guys are looking at getting some rewards when it comes to this crypto, there's a way that you guys can participate in staking. So basically it's kind of like earning some passive cash flow when getting into this crypto. But let's head, and here's 2 articles to talk about it. There's one that Yoroi that offers 4.62% on Cardano staking. So check that out if you like. I don't currently stake Cardano, but if you do, drop a comment below talking about your experience with it. So now let's get into the charts guys. So Cardano, if you look at it in the previous months, you can see that yes, it has taken a big pain. Like we're talking about like from $2.80 all the way down to 41 cents. Now that we see this big reversal happening, a lot of people buying into crypto, this may be a good time to get into this cryptocurrency. Now I do prefer trading over trading cryptocurrencies rather than hodling, but the way it's been going now, it's been moving really big. So if it continues on this path, we can see that it can definitely be hitting these previous highs, these zones. That's about a good 15 cents away. So a good 15 cents away, and if it takes like another few months to get there, we honestly can be, that's a really good gain. You're talking about like 4.6 something percent. But remember, this is my plan. I'm not telling you guys what to do with your money. So basically, just do what you do, guys. So for me, if I'm planning on this, like if I'm setting myself up, basically, I actually missed the move. That was like the best move to get in there. And I am looking at the weekly. So maybe I'm looking for a pullback. So the best thing you probably look for a pullback. So if it does pull back, bounces off this diagonal support, we're going to put it like that. And then there's a good possibility it can head up to this zone or this other previous zone right here, the 52 cents area, this previous high. So possibly another pullback, but we can see that Cardano might bounce off the 52 cents and then pull back and then possibly buy the dip and then pull back up to 57 if it can continue this way. We will see how cryptocurrency does and all cryptocurrency does in the next few months. But I'll do an updated video guys, but I'm just sharing you my thoughts, what I think about this right here. Tell me what your guys thought. Do you think Cardano is going to go higher, going to go lower, or if you're staking it, tell me what percentage you're getting. But beside all that guys, let's check out my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. If you want to learn more about my services, they're right here. If you want to check it out on Fiverr, just click this right here. If you want to check out my free education or my economy stuff, check out the website guys. A lot of it's for free, and I'm just trying to be out there to help you guys. But besides that guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.